I'm Andrea Condorelli. I'm head of data science for Magneti Marelli. Magneti Marelli is a very big manufacturing company. We make car parts, and we are a supplier for almost any car dealer, car maker in the world. So our main focus is to support all the processes linked with manufacturing. So going to the plant and try to allow plant manager or plant people to understand better some kind of processes, to try to explain some possible problems, and this is our main task. We were desperate before Databricks because we started with a very small group. We were 4 data scientists. Then the group started to increase its size, and we arrived to 10 data scientists. And I try, as the team leader, to figure out a way to allow all of them to work together, to support each other. So we started with a more standard architecture, using other products such as Spark with Docker or HD Insight, but all the collaborative part was pretty tricky. The main key feature that that convinced me in this kind of choice was the real support to the data science, because the idea of a shared notebook, the idea of using a WebSocket to create connection is something that is very useful, because this way I can jump on a colleague notebook and support him on some complex part of his code, and there is no problem and no issue. With such a unified data platform, we are able to deliver things in a very, very fast way. So they come to us with a problem, and then in a couple of weeks they can see an application that allows them to analyze this problem and to understand this problem. And this is what they really appreciate. In 8 months we reached the break-even. So all the money that they spent on the startup cost, the development cost, was completely deleted by the saving. And thanks to Databricks and to the architecture, we were able to plan a spread out, lowering the cost for each new line by 90%. And if we consider all the line of this kind in Magneti Marelli, it means a return on investment in 3 years of more than 12 times. And this kind of number are very, very big. We're talking of millions and millions, so it's very, very impactful from a business point of view.